Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use Himalaya Ashwagandha. First, understand that ashwagandha is an adaptogenic herb, meaning it helps your body manage stress. It's been used for centuries in Ayurvedic medicine to promote balance and overall well-being. Always speak with a doctor or healthcare provider before adding any new supplement to your routine, especially if you have existing health conditions or are taking other medications. This ensures it's right for you. Finding the right dosage is important for effectiveness. Many people find success with a daily dose between 300 and 500 milligrams. It's generally recommended to take ashwagandha with a meal. This can help improve absorption and minimize any potential stomach discomfort. Remember, consistency is crucial. Taking it regularly over several weeks or months will yield the best results as your body adapts. Ashwagandha offers several potential benefits. Many users report a noticeable reduction in stress and anxiety, along with improved sleep quality. Some also experience enhanced energy levels and better cognitive function. While generally well tolerated, be aware of possible mild side effects like drowsiness or digestive upset. If you experience any adverse reactions, discontinue use and consult your healthcare provider immediately. To maximize the benefits of ashwagandha, integrate it into a holistic wellness routine. This includes maintaining a balanced diet, getting regular physical activity, and ensuring adequate sleep. Pay attention to how your body responds and don't hesitate to adjust your dosage under professional guidance. Remember to check the description below for a link to the Owala water bottle and other great deals to support your health journey. Consistency and patience are vital for long-term success.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.